2020, a year which shook us all, but some had it worse. While many families didn't know where their next meal would come from, several small businesses didn't know where their next order, their source of income, would come from. To help them get what they rightfully deserve, we at the Vukal Madhav Foundation set out on a pan-India mission to identify marginalized communities, local businesses, and self-help groups who lost their livelihoods due to COVID-19. And then, with your support, we began to give with dignity, helping 120 small businesses bounce back on their feet while feeding over 70,000 families in need. The ration kits procured from local sources for families in need helped 3 lakh individuals from 24 states in just 8 weeks. You gifted them a hope of livelihood. You gifted them health and hygiene. Most importantly, you gifted them a reason to smile. Again. From Kashmir to Kerala, your support has enabled us to reach far and beyond. Here's a quick look at what we've been able to achieve in a short span of 8 weeks. Dabbawalas ensured no Mumbaikar was hungry since 1980. But come lockdown, and they were the ones without a source of livelihood. With Give with Dignity, we supported 750 Dabbawalas and many others who were struggling amidst the pandemic. We helped the marginalized communities like widows, daily wage workers, senior citizens, specially abled and women farmers across the state and filled their lives with hope. To help these people in need, we procured festive goodies, grocery and hygiene essentials from local groups. Every single donation supported a small business, empowered individuals with special needs, helped women support their families. We couldn't have helped them without His blessings. Like Dabbawalas, Keshav Grahak Seva Sahakari Mandali Limited in Gujarat supplied food to marginalized communities. Give with Dignity has not only enabled them to continue their noble cause, but also empowered individuals of other small businesses in the state. We are grateful for His constant support and blessings. Empowering people and making a difference was Ariharan's dream. But as he started a self-help group, Siragu Oil, to help small-scale farmers, the lockdown happened. Before his business could fall apart like many others, your contributions helped them sustain their livelihoods and survive the lockdown. With the support of leaders like him, we could help the people of Tamil Nadu amidst the pandemic. While Ariharan empowered farmers, here was Payal, who had her share of hardships and yet introduced a way towards financial independence for herself and other women through a sanitary pad making unit. Your contributions helped her and many other women continue being self-sufficient. Like we helped Payal to keep her business running, we supported Mr. Kripanath, a potter, by procuring diyas from him, along with helping many other families struggling due to the lockdown. The Governor of Uttar Pradesh stood by us throughout our journey of Give with Dignity. Never the ones to give up, farmers from the Kamdar organic producers provided ration items so as to empower themselves and farm labourers of Hoshangabad to survive. This was also a year which posed a threat to efforts taken by generations throughout several years, and we, for one, did not want them to end. Talking about tradition, Rajasthani artists keep our rich folk music alive and make a living out of tourism. But the lockdown wasn't kind to them, and we decided to give them the respect they deserve. From providing essentials to artist families to procuring handmade items from them, we ensured their survival. We couldn't have helped them without His blessings. Among all the states, there is one state which was hit by the lockdown to a greater extent. As we all know, Kashmir has been in distress even before the pandemic. Here's how we helped them navigate through difficult times. We did not stop here, reaching the farthest corners of the country and spreading hope and happiness in the lives of specially abled people, individuals from economically weak backgrounds, widows with no source of income, small-scale farmers, factory workers, daily wage earners, and many others. We continued to give with dignity. This kindness was recognized across states and cities. With your support, through Give with Dignity, we were able to inch closer to the UN Sustainable Development Goals of no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, and reduce inequalities, and create an impact, an everlasting one. Thank you for making it all possible. Thank you for enabling us to give with dignity.